Marmalade is a preserve made from citrus fruit and sugar. To make Meyer Lemon Marmalade, thinly peel the outer layer of the lemons with a sharp vegetable peeler, avoiding the white pith. Next, boil the peels for 10 minutes, longer for thicker peels. This will help soften the peel and remove some of the bitterness. Then rinse in cold running water and finally julienne. Add the peel, lemon segments, and all the juice you can squeeze out of the inner membrane into a sauce pot, and scale the citrus with the same amount of sugar. Add a split vanilla bean and allow the fruit to macerate in the sugar for about an hour. Next, bring the mixture to a boil and simmer for about 30 minutes. As the water and the lemon segments and juice evaporate, the mixture will become syrupy. The marmalade is done when it reaches 105 degrees Celsius or 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The higher the temperature, the thicker the marmalade will set. Transfer to a sterilized jar and remove the vanilla bean. Allow to cool to room temperature, and if the marmalade is too thick, add a tablespoon or two of boiling hot water and mix it in. Store it in the refrigerator with an airtight lid. The Meyer Lemon Marmalade will thicken as it sets and will be at its best for a couple of months.